Hi everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of Denmark, where we visit Mons Klint. Okay, so we're heading to, where's the place again?
The supermarket.
Okay. No, not the supermarket.
We need to get our food on. We're gonna go to the circular village first.
Yes, so we're gonna go to an eco-friendly village in Denmark. So Denmark has, I believe, 150 different eco-villages, and some of the most famous ones were the round ones. So we wanted to go there, but it is raining, so we're hoping that the rain subsides and we can actually fly the drone, because that would be an amazing footage. And we're also right now going to be heading to pick up some groceries. And after that, we're gonna go to Mons Klint. So that's also like another really naturey part of Denmark. And we also wanted to do some drone flying over there. So that's our goal. But yeah, so we're on our way. We're gonna do some groceries, and then we'll see if the rain lets us continue with our original plans. Oh my god, so nice.
So nice.
What? So they have their own water plant to filter out the water?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
They utilize nature's own mechanism.
Oh, like natural kind of
I don't
filtering?
know, they develop something, I guess.
Oh. This is the book about architecture.
What do you mean?
That's why they put it.
They're on the front page.
Oh yeah, you're right.
That's why, that's what I meant. They have a book for...
No, you always admit you don't listen, so don't try to act like you're innocent.
I wasn't listening at all.
Is that your little bolly? What is it? I'm not doing it. Hi. You want this? Mons Klint is famous for its chalk mountains, which used to be submerged by water 17,000 years ago. Now this mountain consists of limestone and was used back in the days to create houses and other buildings. However, now it is protected. The beaches are also known to have a large quantity of fossils, and they're quite easy to find, dating back to the dinosaur ages. If you're enjoying my video so far, please hit the subscribe button because it does help me out a lot, and you'll get the newest videos as soon as they're released. Yeah, those are mine. Those are my leftover.
They're not going to waste.
Hey.
Hey, what?
Don't peek here. Stop peeking at me.
Can I eat?
No. No. I'm sorry. Klint's Geocenter was really awesome. They had an entire section that focused on resin, which had infused dinosaur insects from millions of years ago, which you can actually find on the beachside. As I mentioned before, a lot of fossils are there that are quite easy to find. And also they had a great sustainability, eco-friendly incentive, explaining how sand collection materials, for example cement, are horrible for the environment. And they also talked a lot about the Danish culture, which I thought was really awesome. Another thing I love about traveling is learning more about each culture and their present and past beliefs. A really interesting belief the Danish had back in the day was within the thunderbolt fossil. The thunderbolt fossils were previously believed to be strikes of lightning hitting the ground. As lightning never hits the same place and twice, people could protect their house from lightning by placing thunderbolt fossils on the rafters of their house with the tip pointing upwards. The Danish also considered them great as wishing stones, where if you threw it over your shoulder and found it, your wish would be granted. They were also used for healthy pregnancies and baby deliveries, as well as used in some labors to help them finish their job properly.